Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to build this. This is a machine which is used to kill all the bacteria in the air, and this is achieved with a lamp inside which has an ultraviolet light. Nowadays it is especially useful with all these coronavirus situation, and if you want to purify the air of your flat or of your house, this machine can be used and can do it easily. And it can be easily built under $100. $100 is not much because these machines cost about $1,000 and they're used in hospitals mainly, but you can now build one for you and use it at home. So the air passes through the lamp and all the bacteria is killed. And on the top the clean air gets out. In the description you have the full list of things you will need, the ones I used, and also you have a link to the website where there is a guide how to build it with pictures and explanations. You can build this without a workshop, you just need a saw, a soldering and a drill. That's what I used to build that thing. Before we begin, I should say that if you want to see more cool stuff, please check out my channel for some DIYs or some tutorials. The tube I have is 3 meters long and the lamp I have is 90 centimeters long, which means that we will just cut the tube in half and we can make 2 pieces of that tube. To make a straight cut, you can use a paper wrapped around the tube, as shown here. Next step are the legs for the tube. In my case, they are wooden. We need 3 pieces of same length and a 45-degree angle cut by the 2 sides. Align them on one side and then cut the pieces on the other side to get 3 exactly the same pieces. Sandpaper can be used to remove the excess wood. And this is a process to make one end curved for the better grip with the tube. Now just drill the holes and screw the legs. Or you can just buy a piece like this, which is a chimney cowl, and just put the tube inside of it. It is stable enough. Next, we will need to position the lamp exactly in the center of the tube. For that, I used a profile used for the plasterboard. It is better to have a tight fit, like I have. The socket for the lamp should be screwed to the middle of the profile created before. Here is what I did to this socket to connect them to the profile. And also I have to connect the space used for the starter because I don't need the starter. To attach the profile, 2 holes were done through the tube and just 1 through the profile, because we don't know the place of the second hole yet. And then later we drill the second hole. The location of second profile should be quite precise, so I cut a 90 cm piece of wood, not to use the lamp for that purpose. Now the lamp model is between the profiles and we can measure the distance to the second profile to drill the holes. Let's test the lamp before we put it inside. For this lamp to function, you will need an electronic ballast, which is attached to the tube from the inside. I wanted the cables to be more rigid, so I soldered them to the ballast, and also I added a cable for the motor to be used later. On the electronic ballast you have the scheme to connect the lamp. Industrial tapes helped to attach loose wires to the tube. This is an extractor used inside the toilets. We need to put it inside the tube, so let's cut the excessive plastic. To attach the fan inside, I used the expandable foam because it is easy to use and also it is easy to remove if you want to. You can easily break it with your hands. This disc valve will be used to control the airflow, because if the air is passing too fast, the bacteria will not be killed. This grill is optional, but I just wanted to use it. I needed to move the extractor a bit further, and I did remove the foam with my fingers quite easily. And yes, I painted my tube black because I like it black. Here are some decibel readings, so you can see that this thing is not very noisy. Well, so it's a useful and cool thing to make, and also you can paint it any color you want, and you can customize it as much as you want. I really hope that the process was quite easy to understand, but if you have any questions, please write them down in the comments and I will reply to them. If you have any suggestions to the design, you can also write them down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If that was useful, please give me one of these to support the channel, and also check out the channel for more videos like this. Have a nice day, and I'll see you next time.